Presenting the OnePlus 10R 5G. It comes in color options of forest green and Sierra black. The phone has display of 120Hz IRIS display, 6.7 inches and 2400 by 1080 pixels 394p. The phone also has auto brightness and in-display fingerprint sensor. It has 50MP main camera and 2MP macro camera. It has 16MP front, selfie. It has dual LED flash, UltraShot HDR and video portrait time-lapse. Portrait mode, Pro mode and Hyperlapse mode. It comes with 5000 mAh. It runs on OxygenOS based on Android 12. It is powered by Sony IMX471, Sony IMX766 and processor, MTK D8100 Max. It also features fingerprint scanner, LED flash and camera. The delivery box contains adapter. Product comes with standard brand warranty. For further information visit the product detail page.
Download the Amazon Alexa app from the Play Store. Check if there are any updates for the Qualcomm Voice Assist app. Launch the Alexa app. Log in with your Amazon ID. Give permissions to Alexa and Qualcomm Voice Assist. Make sure to go for voice training so Alexa can learn your voice. Alexa. Alexa. You can allow Alexa to respond even when your phone is locked. Give Alexa access to your contact list to make hands-free calls. Here is the Alexa home screen. Now you're all set. Why not ask Alexa a question? Alexa, how are you?
I'm happy to be talking to you. How are you doing?
I'm great too, thanks.
So glad to hear it.
To access Alexa through touch, make sure to add it as a widget on the home screen. Tap and hold the Alexa icon, click widget and drag it into position. From here, Alexa is just one tap away at all times.